Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking down my 7 weeks old twist, okay, and this is what it looks like. It also looks like I have a lot of new growth, but to be honest, I didn't install this twist to be that tight at the roots, okay, so that's why it looks like I have a lot of new growth. And there's also a little bit of tangling and matting going on here. Anyways, for this process, I'm going to be using my Ayurvedic hair growth oil, okay, and I'm going to be using the dry detangling technique, which simply means that I'm not going to add water or any liquid products, okay. I'm just going to be using this Ayurvedic hair growth oil to just lubricate my hands and ease the friction, okay. Something else you probably noticed is that I'm beginning my takedown from the roots instead of from the ends, and this is because my roots are not matted, and I when I was making the twist, I didn't braid the roots. I twisted from the roots down to the ends, okay. So my roots are not matted, so it's actually easier for me to like start from the roots and work my way down to the length of my hair. And I also discovered that my ends were the part that was a bit tangled and matted. Like it took me a lot of time to take down my ends, okay. I've noticed that with my hair it's easier to take down a protective style that I've had in for a long period of time using the dry detangling technique instead of adding water and conditioners, okay, because I probably have a lot of build up and like shed hair that is stuck in, so adding products to it just makes the entire process more tedious, okay. And I try not to overdo this dry detangling technique, okay, because I'm still going to detangle my hair properly after the takedown before I wash my hair, okay. So I just try to get out most of the shed hair and just separate my hair so it's just not clumped together. I don't know if you guys get what I mean, but that's basically what I'm doing. And I like to finish my sections by trying to pass my hands from the roots down to the ends of my hair, as you can see me doing, just to make sure that everything is I get rid of most of the tangles and matting, okay. And my hair is not so dry, okay, because I try to like keep up with my moisturizing routine at least once a week. So it's not yet up to a week since the last time I moisturized my hair, okay. And you guys, once I encounter single strand knots that I'm not able to detangle, I go ahead and cut it off with my scissors as usual. Honestly, the ends of my hair was the most annoying part of this takedown, because tell me why every section, like every twist, the ends are just low key matted. And this video is sped up, but each of these matted ends took me quite a bit of time, okay, before I was able to like unravel it. And once again, once I'm done with a section, I try to pass my fingers from the roots of my hair down to the ends, just to get rid of any tangles at the roots, okay. Then I proceed to the other part of the twist and also do the same thing. I'd love to know if you've tried out this dry detangling technique, and if your hair loves it. Also, have you tried taking down your twist using this technique? Just let me know in the comments. Thank you. At this point, it feels like I'm making a lot of progress, but you guys, there's still a lot of twists to the tangle in the front section, because I kind of like parted towards the front perimeter of my hair to be a bit smaller, okay, and the back was like big sized. Hope you can see how I'm taking my time to think at the tangle and separate every single strand or knot. And if I'm not able to separate the single strand knots, I go ahead and cut it off. This is how you um do your takedowns if you want to retain length. You do not want to go in with your comb or a needle detangling tool at this point, because you're just going to break your hair, okay. I think I'm going to do a lot of mini twists, loose twists, or anything twist in general, because Mini twist seems to really work well for my hair. First off, it takes lesser time to install when you compare it to mini braids, and also the takedown process. Yeah, it takes time, but compared to mini braids, it's actually better for me. Okay, and it's actually easier to like moisturize my hair and get it in with this mini twist or loose twist. Okay, I know this is not small sized. I don't know, I just feel like it works better for me, and I do not experience that much matting and locking as like most people complain about. Even when I wash my protective style while in twist, it just doesn't match up and all of that. I don't know. So I feel like I'm going to do a lot of twist. Okay, anyways, I've gotten to the front section where I did a little bit of cornrowing, and the front section of my hair is actually more thin and sparse than the rest of my hair. So I just experienced a lot of shading, breakage, and everything in that section. So I try to be very gentle with anything I'm doing to the front of my hair, because yeah, it just breaks up very easily. Okay, as you can see, it's actually looking thin, even though the section is not actually that small. Another reason that has convinced me that mini twist or anything twist is the perfect protective style for my hair is that I didn't experience that much shedding and breakage in the front perimeter of my hair, which usually happens with other protective style. Okay, like my last protective style, which was like the cornrows, which I had in for just a month. It was I was in less than a month, but it didn't exceed a month. I experienced a lot of breakage and shedding, especially to the front section. Once I take down and the shed hair and whatever comes out in clumps, like it's very noticeable. But I didn't get any of that with this twist. I don't know. I didn't experience that much shedding and breakage. I'll show you guys the amount of shedding and breakage I had. And it was mostly shedding that I experienced. I didn't get any breakage. As you can see, I'm actually very careful so that I do not break off my hair. But how I knew it was shedding was that I had to like look at each strand each time I brought it out, and I looked at each strand closely, and I noticed like white stuff at the end, which is supposed to be, I don't know if you get what I mean, but if you know what hair shedding is, you would know that you would know how to differentiate between hair shedding and breakage. Okay, and most of the hair I lost came out in very long strands, so I don't know if you get. Okay. The only setback I had with this mini twist takedown was the ends, which were mostly tangled and coiled up against each other, and it took a lot of time to like undo each of them. And this is because I had this twist for in for a long time. I mean 2 months. That's enough time for my hair to like really mat up. Okay, so that's the only thing. So whenever I would try not to keep in my subsequent protective styles, loose twists, mini twists, or whatever over a month. I'll really try to stick to a month, which is actually hard for me, but I'm going to try it. And this entire process took me over 8 hours, which seems fair enough considering the fact that I had this twist in for close to 2 months. I mean, if I had taken down the twist at the 1 month mark, I probably wouldn't have encountered the amount of tangling and knotting I experienced at the end. So it wouldn't have taken this long. Anyways, I would love to know what your preferred protective style is between mini braids or mini twists. Which one works for your hair, and which one is easier for you to take down between the both? For me, it is mini twist, okay, because my hair has gotten longer, so mini braids take quite a bit of time, especially if I braided tightly. Anyways, once again, I'm at the front section of my hair, so I'm taking my time to do the takedown, and also be patient so I'm not dragging my hair out, because anything I do at this point, my hair is just going to break off. And as I said earlier, I'm trying not to overdo the finger detangling and dry detangling technique. I just try to get out most of the shed hair and get rid of the knots and tangles, but I'm still going to detangle my hair afterwards, because I know my hair is very much prone to breakage at this point, so I do not want to do too much. That's also the reason I'm not going in with any detangling tool or brush, okay, at this point. Anyways, I went ahead to finish off camera, and this is the amount of hair that I lost with this entire takedown process. And this is actually way lesser than the usual amount of shedding and the breakage I usually have. And this is what my hair looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.